Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe during this lockdown. Hope you're taking care of yourself, and most importantly, take care of your mental health. And if you're bored, here's some entertainment. You can also go back and watch my old videos, but I'm gonna be trying to post like weekly since now we have time. Yeah. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Subscribe. It is so important. Please subscribe, show some love, and click the notification bell so that you can hear more dramatic stories about my life. Yeah. So I decided to sit down and tell you guys a story time. I think enough time has passed between when this occurred and now, so I think everyone involved has healed, and if they haven't, oh well, still gonna spill that tea. When all of this was happening, it honestly felt like a movie. Yeah, and so let's get right into the video.
The world is an amazing place. There is so much to do and so much to see, and I want you all to do it with me. So fix your crown and let's go on an adventure.
Okay, so this video is gonna be all over the place because I didn't actually have time to sit down and write things out. So I'm probably gonna forget things, then remember them and whatever, and just have like little inserts. So guys, basically, moral of the story, I know I'm supposed to say the moral of the story at the end, but I'm gonna say it now. Moral of the story: trust no one. Okay, just only trust yourself, because like you can't pretend to yourself, you know, but like, yo guys, no matter how long you've known somebody, no matter even if they're your day, trust nobody, because people are so good at pretending to get what they want. So I met this girl in like end of 2015, so she came at a very convenient time when I was like doing a 360 analysis on, is it 360 or 180? It's 180, because 360 you go back to it. Anyway, a complete 180 analysis on my friendship circles, and I wanted friends that basically, you know, have vision in life, that have a goal. Like, I was tired of, no shade, I was tired of being the smartest person in the room. Like, it got me nowhere. When people don't have goals in their lives, all they do is sit down, cause drama, and basically it was not constructive for me. I wasn't really going where I wanted to go. In the past, to be honest, she wasn't somebody I would really be friends with, because I can be friends with any type of person, but like we didn't really gel. Like, we have to gel. She was like, she is a Fitz medical student, and I'm like, a what now? A doctor? Ah, okay, you know, we can be friends. Like, guys, please don't think that I'm shallow and I only look for friends that yeah, but like, this is making me sound bad. Yes, I am not gonna apologize for that, because I saw this meme, and you know, we live by memes. I saw this meme that said that your friends today are what your future children are gonna call connections. So I ain't apologizing for wanting my friend list and my friendship circle to have like proper, you know, yeah. Anyway, so at that time she told us she was like around 23 or 24, and like, yeah, her mother passed away, and just a whole lot, like a lot. And when she was at that time, she says she is in fourth year, I think, fourth or fifth year. Fourth year. She was in fourth year of her medical degree. Cool. We became close, not close, but like, you know, we got to know each other. We started hanging out. But what was weird is that every time I wanted to meet with her on campus, she couldn't. Like, she always said no. There was always an excuse, and I would be like, "Ah, okay, what one of the doctor, let me come to medical campus," and she would like always be like, "Nah, I'm not there, I'm on a taxi, I'm doing this, I'm doing that," and she would just keep on dodging. So I'm just like, okay, weird. And then at the end of her fifth year, she told me that she is repeating a course and is gonna add on another year to her degree. I'm like, okay, cool, we all fail, it happens, it's Wits is brutal, it happens, cool. Next thing, Umuntu is graduating, and I'm hearing by other people. I am not hearing by her. Other people are coming to me and they're like, how your friend is graduating. I'm like, that makes no sense, because she told me that a year is added onto her degree. Like, no, she's not graduating. Everyone is like, yeah, she is, and they look at me snacks like I'm that jealous friend now, and I'm just like, and something 1 + 1 is equaling 11. It is not adding up. So fine, I go and I'm like to her, oh, I heard this, I heard that you're thinking you're graduating. And then she's stunned and she's like, yeah, I am. And I'm just like, oh great, let's see. I want to see that, you know, that queue that you see on, so basically on the student website when you're graduating, there's like a queue. I don't know if it stands for what does it stand for? Qualified. It stands for qualified. I was about to say it stands for complete. Yo guys, I hope it's graduate. I'm like, I want to see it. She's like, I don't have my login details. My adoptive mom has them. She had been adopted 8 years in 2020. So she's like, my adoptive mom has them. I go to the adoptive mom. The adoptive mom is like, I don't have them, I've never had them before. So I go back to her and she's like, oh no, they kicked me out of the system. At this point I haven't graduated yet, so I don't know these things. So I just believe her. I'm like, okay, at least a certificate. Okay, no, certificate guy has to be shipped, because I didn't go to my graduation ceremony. She came up with a whole story about why she didn't go to a graduation ceremony and blah 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 blah. It was just like lies packing up. Then next thing, she brings a certificate. Guys, I'm gonna put the certificate here. I'm gonna look for it and find it. She brought the certificate. Number one, guys, this is expensive. There's no way that at the end of your degree they're gonna give you a certificate that has fading ink, and that part that has fading ink is supposed to be a stamp. So again, nah, I'm not a graduate. I don't know these things. I look at it, I say it out loud, and then I realize that it's not making me look like a good person. It's making me look like a bitter, jealous friend. So I was just like, you know what, Makhadzi, trust your friend, believe it. She graduated. I was so happy, guys. I was going around telling everyone that, oh, Chomiya get doctor. You know, I was out here calling her doctor in front of everyone. I was screaming, I was shouting, top of my lungs. Everyone that we meet, I'm like busy telling them that she's a doctor. Next thing, she says that so we're like, are you gonna go work or you're gonna go further your study? She's like, she's furthering her study. She's gonna study gynecology. Now, gynecology, guys, gynecology, oh, actually, when you specialize, you need to first do your community service and all these things in between, and then you can specialize afterwards. But somehow, yeah, no, totally cheat code and just went straight to gynecology. And we all were just like, that doesn't make sense. Like, everyone was just saying, that doesn't make sense. But she's like, no, I spoke to the faculty and they let me. I told them a sub story and they let me. And I'm just like, okay. Like, what can you say? And then, like, the lies just started not making sense. You know, when things are just piling up and it's just like, next thing, she told us that fibroids are periods that have been, what's the word? Oh guys, sorry, it's late at night, my English is gone. So it's periods that have been backlogged, basically. So you don't got your periods and then the thing is clots and then they create fibroids. Now, I know I'm not a medical doctor, but I know damn well that does not sound right. She used to come with stories like, in the delivery room, this and this happened. She used to wear the uniform, guys. The thingy uniform. The scrubs, that's how they call scrubs. She used to wear them. They had her name on, the Wits logo, Yonki and Dog, guys. There was no way you cannot believe this person. She went all the way. She comes through, she would come all the time, walk around in her scrubs and all these things, and she would tell you stories about her day at school, blah 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 blah. But every time you want to see results, nix, you will not find them. And she told us that she graduated top of her class, fabricated a certificate as well. Like, she was aiming high, guys. If you're gonna lie, let me tell you now, if you're gonna lie, dude, like, put the lowest level, like inside the lowest level possible. You cannot shoot for the stars, because now you have to live up to those stars. It's just anyway, I know I'm not making sense, but anyway, cool. As time went on, I kept on questioning, like, no, it doesn't make sense, like, this doesn't make sense. Even her family, her adoptive family, also was like, this doesn't make sense. Then eventually things started crashing down when, remember, she told us that her mom passed away. You guys, I don't know, this is actually sad, it's not funny. Her mom is alive. I'm sorry, I should not be laughing, but who lies like that? Her mom is alive, and it's not that her and her mom are estranged. No, she does go and visit her mom, but her mom thinks that she's at school doing nursing or whatever. So her actual real mom. And then she kept, guys, this girl, yo, psychopath what thing. She used on the phone, she used to sit down and like cry to me when things are not going right or whatever, and cry to me and be like, it's like I could go wake up my mom from the grave, and like other children, I don't have a mom, and like all these things. Like, she used to do it so well, to the point where I sometimes used to cry with her. I used to defend her tooth and nail. When people are like, your friend is a lie, I'm like, no, she's not. Okay, like, you guys are not gonna be doing this to an orphan, whatever. Like, just a whole lot of mess. Okay, Mama is alive, so that was found out. Next thing, okay, are you a Wits graduate? Yes, she stood on that. She's like, yes, I am a Wits graduate. Everyone is asking her, her family is asking her, from my side I'm asking her, even sat on the phone the whole night, and she's like, no, I am a Wits. I'm like, okay, log on to those thingy, to the site. Okay, I'm in front of my computer, tell me your logins. She gives me numbers that don't make sense. I'm like, first of all, I graduated at Wits. I know how student numbers at Wits work. This is not a first student number. And I'm like, I don't know if things are done differently on medical campus, but like, no. She's like, no, I got a new student number when I graduated, when I did, like, when I started my post-grad. And I'm like, that doesn't make sense, because in Wits, you die with your student number. Like, if I go back 10 years from now, my student number is going to be the same as thingy. I know this for a fact. But yeah, and I know somehow she got a new student number, but the logins are not working. And she's like, why would I lie? Why would I lie about that? Makhadzi, am I crazy? Why would I make up such things? Hey. So she stood by that. We're like, okay, do you log in? She's like, no, my mom has them. And then, like, the mom's like, I've never seen her report. Then she sends me her report. And guys, if I find it, I'm gonna put a picture of it. It has no name, nix, nothing, and it looks like a school report. I'm just like, Wits reports don't look like that, and Wits doesn't even give you reports. Your marks are on a system. Like, this is not high school where they send you your report, like a physical copy of a report. And I'm just like, you know what? And yet I still was defending her, only to find out that homegirl did not graduate. She was not a medical student. None of that. Oh, here's the worst part, her age. She told us she was 24 when we met her in 2015, like 23, 24, around there. Only to find out that, guys, this year she would have been turning 34. This year. So back then she would have been, I don't know, I'm gonna do the math and I'm gonna put it down here. But like, guys, so she lied about her age also. And even her real family, when they found this whole thing out, they confirmed that no, her age is actually that. She used to lie to us and be like, Home Affairs is giving her trouble because she doesn't have her mother's death certificate, so now they put her age wrong on her ID. She's been going to Home Affairs every day. Home Affairs stress, hey, this, they put the wrong age, whatever. So now I'm thinking, like, okay, she was older, granted, but like, you know, I'm thinking that like, we here, Khadzi umuntu is old, guys, like old. like way, like she's in her 30s and she's out here acting like she's in her 20s. That to me was like, you know what, psychopath level 500. Like first of all, so let's list the lies. Number one, she lied about her age, and not only to us, to her doctor family as well. She lied about graduating, she lied about doing her post-grad, she lied about her mom. This one is the biggest one. She lied about her mom. And the thing is, I sat down and I was trying to think, because I was like, my mind was blown. I'm like, this sounds like a movie. You know the movie Orphan? This is what that sounds like. My mind was blown, and I'm like, what would actually make somebody want to do that? Like, why would you lie like that? Like, I know how exhausting it is for me to say a lie. Like, I can't lie, I can't keep secrets. It's exhausting. It takes everything out of me. Now for you to lie about all these things to people that you see every day, like, how, I don't want to call her psycho, but like, what else were you lying about, sis? Like, what? You created a whole new life based on lies. I'm just like, it sounded like it felt like a movie at that point. I'm like, there's no way people can pretend this much. There's no way. For 8 years she pretended to adopt a family, people that she saw day in, day out. How does somebody do, how, mind blown. Psh, I am mind blown. So anyway, back to the, I think there were more lies, but I just don't remember them because, like I said, I really didn't plan this video. But she played us. She played us. She played everybody. The way Unalisi Vitikateng, I am a kopili ha crack, kopili ha mudim. I want testimony. Gore u graduating. I'm like, but what worries me is that I don't know the motivating factor behind it. Like, did she want money from her adopted family? Did she want sympathy? What does she want from me? Like, because she pursued the friendship with me. Like, she beelined to me. Like, it was not, that's why I said in the beginning that I said she's not really somebody I'd be friends with, because it felt really forced. Like, friendships are supposed to happen organically. Like, she forced and forced and it happened. Like, what does she want from me? Now she went back to her actual real life family, because, like, yeah, and I haven't seen her since. She did not call me to apologize. She did not call me to explain her side of the story. She didn't say jack. It's just like, oh well. I wonder if she blocked me. Let me check if she blocked me actually. Okay, but her number wasn't, no, she didn't block me. Like, she just didn't find the need to say anything, I guess. But on a serious note, I actually really think she needs help, because something obviously pushed her to act like that. I don't know what it could be, but in the process she did hurt a lot of people, which is why I am not fully sympathetic, and she did use a lot of people. Luckily I wasn't one of them, because yo guys, okay, this has to be said, I'm not gonna lie, she was a good friend. Like, she didn't want anything from me. All she did, it just sounded like she just needed someone to talk to, even though all the things she was saying were lies. It's just, she was just one of those people that just wanted to do stuff for you. She would like just randomly clean my stuff. She would just randomly give me money. She would just do random things. When I lost my bag of makeup, she bought me a whole full set of, like, a whole full face, which is expensive. Like, she was a good friend. I'm not gonna lie. Not a good friend, because friends don't lie to each other, but she was a decent person. I'm gonna come sit here and completely bash her like she's the worst person ever, but she does need help, because wow, she needs help. I would say a godly intervention, but clearly sis does not respect the institution of the church, so maybe science will help, who knows. But anyway, yeah, luckily I don't think she knows where I live, so that's why I am putting up this video with my chest. But the first, like, when it happened, I'm not gonna lie, I thought about recording this video and I'm like, actually too soon. Like I said, other people are involved in the story as well, it's just not me and her. So, and also I was like, she might follow me home. Like, there's an issue with her and she just doesn't really think straight. So I thought she was gonna follow me home and stuff like that, but luckily it's locked down now. By the time she gets so angry and wants revenge, anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Tell me what other type of videos you want to see. Do you guys like it when I give you guys story times? Because wow, I have a lot, guys. My life is a movie.